In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out on Patreon. If you're using Patreon on a desktop or laptop browser and want to safely sign out of your account, this is a very quick process. Logging out can be useful if you're on a shared computer, switching between accounts, or just making sure your account stays secure after you're done using the site. I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can do it without any confusion. To begin, go to Patreon and make sure you're already signed into your account. Once the site has loaded, stay on the main Patreon interface and look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find a small menu icon with 3 dots. Depending on your screen size or layout, this area may be easy to overlook, so take a second to scan the lower left side carefully. When you found the 3 dots, click on them. This opens a small menu with additional account and navigation options. Patreon keeps some settings and actions inside this menu, so if you've ever had trouble finding the sign out option, this is usually where it's located. After the menu opens, look for the log out option. Once you see it, click on log out. Patreon will then sign you out of your account and return you to a logged out view of the site. That's all it takes. The entire process only takes a few seconds once you know where the menu is. If you don't immediately see the 3 dots or the logout option, try maximizing your browser window or scrolling slightly to make sure the full sidebar is visible. In some layouts, interface elements can appear a little differently depending on your device or browser size, but the logout option is still typically found through that bottom left menu. As a final tip, after logging out, it's a good idea to confirm that your account is no longer active, especially if you were using a public or shared device. If needed, you can close the browser tab as an extra privacy step, and that's how to log out on Patreon. Once you know where the 3-dot menu is, signing out is simple and straightforward.